Hello, welcome back. This is the fourth problem for the regular season of the MIT Integration Bee 2025. And for this one, we are looking for the integral of a rational function, 1 over 1 minus x to the fourth. I suggest that you pause this video first and try to solve it on your own. This is meant to be solved in 2 minutes. If you're ready, let's look at my solution. Now we are given here the rational expression 1 over 1 minus x to the fourth. Note that we can express the denominator as a difference of squares, and we can factor that accordingly as 1 minus x squared times 1 plus x squared. If we want to put the x squared at the front, we can also negate this as negative of 1 over x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 1. Now I'm gonna teach you a shortcut on how to do some sort of partial fraction decomposition for this type of denominator. Generally, if we have something like 1 over x plus a times x plus b, the partial fraction decomposition of this one is always 1 over a minus b times 1 over x minus a. Sorry, this is plus a and 1 minus x plus b. Sorry, let's just call it the negative of that there. Or if you want the minus 1, which is what I'm more comfortable with, it looks like this: 1 over a minus b times 1 over x minus a minus 1 over x minus b. So this is the shortcut for partial fraction decomposition. So in this case, a and b are 1 and negative 1. So this is just gonna be negative 1 of 1 over 1 minus negative 1 times 1 over x squared minus 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1. Yes? So what I did here is just considered x squared as just the x that I've mentioned here. So this one is equal to negative of 1/2 times 1 over x squared minus 1 minus x squared plus 1. Right? Get it? So again, we have here a difference of squares. So we can do the same. We can do a partial fraction decomposition. I'll just put it here on the other side. 1 over x squared minus 1. This is 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 1. We can do the same. 1 over 1 minus negative 1 times 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Right, so this is 1/2 of 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Why is this helpful? This is helpful because it eliminates the need for you to do the normal partial fraction decomposition. This is sort of a shortcut, which is just a byproduct of the partial fraction decomposition normal method. So anyway, if I plug it in here, 1/2 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1, eventually we get, and then distribute this one, negative 1/4 times 1 over x minus 1, so we can write it this way, plus 1/4 of x plus 1 minus, sorry, this becomes plus 1/2 of 1 over x squared plus 1. Is that clear? So the integral that we want is the integral of negative 1 over 4x minus 1 plus 1 over 4x plus 1 plus 1 over 2x squared plus 1. dx. We just evaluate individually. This is 1/4 of ln x minus 1 plus 1/4 of ln x plus 1 plus 1/2 of tangent inverse of x plus c. And that's our final answer. You get it? So this is 1/4 of ln of x minus 1 plus 1/4 of x plus 1 plus tangent inverse of x, 1/2 of tangent inverse of x. Is that clear?